You know, it figures. I unloaded some shares yesterday, and today we hit another all-time high. But it is what it is. It's Tuesday, October 27th, 2025. I'm Patrick, disabled investor on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan, and I'm sharing my journey with you so that you can learn from my mistakes, and hopefully we can prosper together. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a dude on the internet, and I'm sharing my journey to help others and myself stay accountable and grow. I just want to take a moment and thank everybody who's been watching my journey along the way and subscribed. It's been wonderful. We're up to 482 subscribers now, which is wonderful. Thank you everybody who takes the time to watch my stuff. I'm going to get into what happened today. It was one of those days when I set up a couple of trades and I got one of what I was looking for. I started the day off, I think yesterday we ended the day at about $186,000 thereabouts. Today was a good day. I started the day off by buying 2 shares of VCN, that's the Vanguard Total Canadian Index ETF. And I placed an order to buy another 300 shares of QNC because it looked in the beginning of the day like quantum emotion was going to drop a little bit, and I set a price of $325, didn't get it. Was going to buy another 300 shares, didn't happen, so that's okay. At the end of the day, my portfolio finished off at $186,382, which according to the bank is up $952 from where I started the day. Bearing in mind that what I report and what the bank settles at are often different. That means that I was up about 0.5%, 0.5%, which is okay. The S&P 500 was up 0.3% today, and the TSX, the Toronto Stock Exchange, was up almost 0.5% today. So I'm in good company. In terms of what brought my portfolio down, this is where I'm kind of glad that I trimmed some positions yesterday. D-Wave Quantum was down over $850 for me today, and the Leap that I have corresponding with that. Also, ARM Holdings was down. At the same time, it was a great day to hold Nvidia, and that's why I kind of kicked myself for trimming my position yesterday, because the leaps that I hold for Nvidia, the $160 leap was up over $1,000 today, and the $200 leap was up about $900 today. Finally, Intel was up as well, I guess because it's related to Nvidia, and that was up 600 and change. Not bad. I spent the day out with the dogs. For a walk, and placed that order. Those 2 orders, didn't get the one but got the other, and it was a good chill sort of day. No complaints, and looking forward to doing it all over again tomorrow. Anyways, it was good. Wonder how yours went. Please comment. And again, thanks everybody who's subscribed and watched my journey. I appreciate it, and look forward to continuing. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.